Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian State Food series on my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to make Andhra Pradesh famous food called as kodi koora or chicken curry. Let's start. For this we need 3 onions finely chopped, add 4 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Once the oil get hot, add chopped onion and fry it. Fry it till it gets light golden in color. Take 4 to 5 green chilies, slice it and add it into a mixture and mix it well for a few seconds. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it till the raw smell goes. Take 700 grams of chicken. Add and mix it for 5 minutes. Then add salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix again. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix it again and leave it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala. We need 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 5 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 8 to 9 cloves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. In a pan, add black peppercorns, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Roast it well. You can add poppy seeds too. Roast it well. Add it into a grinder. Then take half a cup of coconut. In same pan, roast it till it gets golden in color. Add it into a grinder and grind it into a fine paste. Add it in a chicken and mix it well. Take 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. Add it into a chicken and mix it well. Cook it till the tomatoes get soft. Then add half a cup of water and cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and mix it. Cook it till the oil gets separated. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. Chicken curry is ready. Serve it hot with rotis and rice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Take care. Bye bye.